In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlights on this BMW 550i. Let's get into it. We're going to pop this panel up. I'm just using a trim tool. Just get underneath. Just a plastic trim tool works. It's just clipped in. Pop that up. We're going to take these screws off up top. I'm going to use a T30 socket. We're going to remove this shield. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take these screws out. And the screws may stay with the panel. Just got to loosen them up. Slide that down. We're going to remove this panel. Use an 8mm socket. Take these screws out. And pull that down. There is a couple clips on the inside. Just pop those down. And do the same on the other side. We're going to take these screws out. Use a 8mm socket. That one up top. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. You can grab the inner fender well, just pull that back. Underneath here, there's two screws. We're going to take those out, use a 8mm socket. Then there's a bracket right here. This is going to slide inwards, and then you can slide that off. And you can see near the headlight, the bracket's attached right there. So we want to pull this back a little bit and pull that out of that headlight area right there. That's good. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. Underneath here, there's two screws, one on each side. We're going to use a T25 socket. Take these screws out. Pull the bumper cover forward. Now you have some wires. Disconnect the fog light connectors. Just push down on the tab. Slide that off. And on the passenger side, there's another connector. You would disconnect that. Push on the tabs. Slide that off and disconnect the fog light as well. You can try to do this in the vehicle before you pull the bumper cover down if you want. And it slides right out. Underneath here, I'm going to take these two screws out. Use a T30 socket. Take those out. Up top, take these two screws out, use the T30 socket. Grab the light, pull it out, connector on the back, push down on the tabs, Connector comes off. It's a retainer down below. Just pop that off. On the back of the headlight assembly, you can replace the bulbs. Right here, it looks like a card. You're going to twist that to the left. You can pull this bulb right out. This is a 3457 bulb. Just take the new one, slide it in place, lock it down. And then there is a little tab right here. You're going to line that up with the slot, push that in, twist it to the right. For the headlight bulb itself, there's two little tabs right here. Just pop these down. Might need a screwdriver or a trim tool. Slide that out. That's where the headlight is. This is an HID. Be careful. There's a little tab right here. Pull that down. Grab the bulb. Twist it to the left. You're going to take your new bulb, slide it in, twist it to the right, connect the connector. And if you had a halogen bulb, the procedure is going to be very similar. Take the cover, line it up. Click it in place. Over here, there's a bulb under here. Twist that cover off. Grab the connector. I'm just going to use a pick. There's a tab on the side. A tab on the other side. Just pop that off. Grab the bulb, twist it to the left, and it comes right out. This is a H8 bulb. We're going to do the same. Line it up, push it in place, take the connector, lock that down, take the cover, and lock it in place. To make your adjustments after you're done, you can use a 6mm hex socket. That's the adjuster right there. And we're going to install the headlight, take the connector, line that up, lock that down, take the screws, get those started. Snug those down. Now put these screws in underneath. Snug those down. Get the bumper lined up. We're going to connect those connectors. And a fog light connector. Plug that in. That's good. Do the same on the other side. And get this lined up. Might have to wiggle it a little. And get these sides lined up. If you need to, you can use a trim tool. Just push these in. Got clips in place. That's good. And take these screws, get these started. I'll tighten these down. Take the inner fender well, get that lined up. Take this larger bolt. It's going to go right there. snug that down. Now we're going to put these screws back in for the inner fender well. Get them all started first, and we'll tighten them down. Now tighten those down. These screws under here, get those started. And tighten those down. Take these panels, lined up on the side. The screws started. Snug these down. Take this shield. Push that in position. All right. There you go, snug those down. There we go. There we go. Snug those down. And put the screws in up top. Tighten these down. Take this cover, get this lined up, clip it in place. Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.